I'm Sydney Luciana, and welcome to Luciana Vinyasa.
Beginning to feel the natural rhythm of your breath. Maybe setting an intention here, dedicating this practice to yourself, someone else. When you're ready, come to a child's pose. Big toes come to touch, knees are splayed wide. On your next inhale, slither forward to Sphinx, taking a wide cobra. Exhaling on the release, inhaling as we lift our forehead. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift up your forehead. Exhale. And just pulse here for as long as you'd like. Beginning to find rhythm, the flow of your breath. On your last one, hands come underneath your shoulders, toes tuck, and lift yourself back into puppy pose. Hips are in the air. Chest is towards the ground. Arms are outstretched in front of you. Inhale, come up to tabletop. Hands underneath your shoulders. Inhale, lift your hands up towards the sky. Exhale, thread it underneath. Top arm can be outstretched or come to bind. Inhale, lift that arm back up. Exhale, place it back down, come to neutral tabletop. Inhale, lift the other arm up towards the sky. Exhale, thread it underneath. Arm can come outstretched or bind it behind you. Bring the outstretched arm back underneath your shoulder. Begin to slowly lift yourself up and fingertips come to the sky. Exhale, place it back down under you. Come to your forearms. Tuck your toes. Lift your hips. Come to dolphin pose. On your exhale, bend your knees. Sit bones come to your heels. Knees come to the ground. Breathing here for 2, 1. Inhale, lift up. Come to dolphin. Exhale, come back down. Inhale, send the hips up. Exhale, knees come to the ground. Pulse here for a few more. Inhaling when your hips lift. Exhaling when your knees come to the ground. Come back up to a tabletop. Begin to stretch out your wrists. Feel around in some cat-cows. Do whatever you have to do to wake up your body. It might feel uncomfortable or weird, but it's part of getting to know yourself. So stretch in whatever direction feels good. And when you're ready, let's meet in a downward facing dog. Inhale, bring your left knee to your chest. Angle that foot towards your right side, through your body and on the outside of your mat. The foot that's still on the mat can pivot parallel to the ends of your mat. Chest shines towards the sky, and on your exhale, as you lift the fallen leg back up to a three-legged dog and place your hand back on the mat, inhaling here and remembering the intention you set. Exhale that intention. Let it go. From downward facing dog, bring your right foot to your chest and kick it outside of you, coming to your fallen triangle on the other side. There's a few different ways to get out of this pose, but I like to place my hand back down first, then bring my foot to meet my other foot in downward facing dog. On your inhale, step your left foot between your hands. Rotate the back foot parallel to the end of the mat, bending the knee that you stepped forward and squatting down into your skandasana. Inhale, hands can come to heart center, and exhaling. Inhale, rise up skandasana to the other side. Inhaling as you rise, exhaling as you land. The next time that you're at the back of your mat, plant your hands, fingers facing towards the long end of the mat. Straighten the legs, plant the hands shoulder width apart, standing wide-legged forward fold. Bring both hands towards your right side, inhaling, keeping your left hand on your right ankle. Inhale, lift up your right fingertips towards the sky. Gaze at the fingertips. When you're ready, come back down and gently crawl to the other ankle. Right hand grabs the left ankle. Left hand, inhale, reach it up towards the sky. Gaze at the fingertips. Exhale, coming back down. Crawl back to center. Hands should be underneath the shoulders. Halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Elbows bend. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, elbows bend. Slowly heel toe your feet a little bit wider than hip width. Coming to Malasana, option to place a cushion or block underneath your seat. If crow is in your practice, you can take that. Now's a perfect time to play around, even if you don't. This is all meant to be fun. Falling just means that you tried. It's just yoga. For crow, you want to create a shelf for your knees to rest above your elbows. You want your gaze to be a few inches ahead of the mat. Step or jump back to chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Begin to roll down onto your belly. Just rest here. Check in with your breath. Observe where it's at. Your forearms can come to your forehead like a pillow, or you can release them by your sides. When you're ready, press up and turn over onto your back. Heels are flexed and pressed up towards the sky. Arms come on the inside of your knee and grab the outside of your foot. Happy baby. Rocking back and forth, massaging out that lower back. Extending one leg at a time, or both. And when you're ready, come to Supta Baddha Konasana. Heels are touching, one hand's on heart, one hand is on your belly. When you're ready, come to your shavasana. Release your arms and legs, or you can stay in Supta Baddha Konasana if that's more comfortable to you. beginning to wake yourself up, wiggling your fingertips and your toes, rocking your head from side to side, coming to a fetal position, focusing on the sensation of warmth and comfort that you get from your own presence. If you're ready to close out today's practice, you can press up to a tall seat with me. Inhale your arms up around you, palms meet in the sky. Bring that intention to mind. Exhale, let it go. Hands come to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me. The teacher in me sees the teacher in you. I'll see you next time.